Okay. Thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Hannah, and as we cruise into a new year, or the third week in June, whenever it is you're watching this, I want to give you four simple rules to live by to gain better awareness and control of your money. So, are you ready? First money rule to live by, give every dollar a job. If you look at your bank account right now, it tells you exactly how many dollars you have, but it doesn't tell you what to do with them or even what you can do with them. It doesn't tell you what you can afford, what to not spend your money on, any of that. That's, it's not that helpful. So our first step to budgeting success is making sure every dollar you bring in gets a specific job it's going to do for you. Maybe some dollars are given the job of paying for electricity, or maybe they get the lucky job of buying this week's groceries. By taking the actual dollars we have and assigning them jobs they're going to do for us, we can physically see how far our dollars can currently take us, which also inadvertently tells us what we aren't able to spend our money on right now as well. Can I actually cover the monthly mortgage payment and groceries and a living room renovation right now with the dollars I have? Or did I assign all of my dollars to other expenses before I even got to funding the renovation? This money rule gives us clarity and confidence in where we stand with our money. Second money rule to live by, embrace your true expenses. We all know we need to pay for rent and gas and groceries, duh. But what are all of those other expenses we know we have to pay deep down, but we just kind of forget about them up top? Those expenses that aren't monthly bills, like buying new clothes or treating the in-laws to lunch or taking your cat to the vet. We tend to forget to fully consider these as part of our expected expenses, but they really are. They truly are. True expenses, you just got it. We know the kids are gonna outgrow their shoes and their coats, and eventually the dog is gonna break in some way, shape, or form and need to go to the vet. We have to budget our money in anticipation of these things by putting a little money aside for them now, so that later, when they happen, they don't completely knock our feet out from under us. Because that's uncomfortable. And scary. Third money rule to live by, roll with the punches. Life is a fascinating thing. It happens. It really does. And it doesn't ask if it can happen to you, it just happens to you. It's like, hey, you down for tragedy? Let's go. We literally don't have time to have rigid budgets. Our budget needs to ebb and flow with our life just like we have to. So when you've already fully spent your allotted gas money for the month, but you still have 6 more days of work to commute to before January's over, you're not just gonna say, guess I'm not going to work this week. No, we figure out how we're gonna roll with it. Can we scrape a little money off the top of our weekly groceries allowance and maybe borrow some money from those running shoes we were saving up for? It's okay to bend the budget a little bit as long as you adjust your spending to match the changes you've made. And the fourth money rule to live your life by, age your money. You know that cereal box that's been sitting at the back of your pantry for like 3 months now, getting staler and staler with each passing day? Well, call me crazy. We want our money to do the same. What? The longer we let a dollar sit in our bank account before we actually turn around and spend it, the more financially secure we're becoming. The first goal we want to set for ourselves in aging our money is using last month's paycheck to pay for this month's expenses. Why? Because we want to be so ahead and secure in our money that we wouldn't even need to cash our newest paycheck right away. Can you imagine getting paid and not even needing any of that money for another month? No, it can't. That's what we call breaking the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Once you get 1 month ahead with your money, could you try for 2? What about 3 months? Your financial security is only gonna go up and up, my friend. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. Best of luck as we all enter into a new year, or the third week in June, wherever you're currently existing in time. And thank you for watching. Or did I already assign all of my dollars to dollars? Sick.